Hello friends, myself Mitesh Ajit Save and my presentation topic is product design for the subject of operation management. Introduction. Product design is conceptualization of an idea about a product and transformation of the idea into a reality. To transform the idea into reality, a specification about the product is prepared. This specification is prepared by considering different constructions such as production process, customer expectations, etc. In product design stage, every aspect of the product are analyzed. Also, final decision regarding the product is taken on the basis of the analysis. This decision can be any aspect related to the product. For example, dimension and tolerance, type of material for every components, etc. Meaning, product design is one of the most important and sensitive factor for an organization. Success or failure of the product decides company business, market share and reputation. So during design stage, various factors related to the product need to be addressed. Objectives of product design: to ensure growth of the organization, to utilize the surplus capacity of the organization such as physical facility, manpower, etc., to utilize the surplus fund of the organization, to meet new requirement of the customer, to increase company market share and to target new market segment, to ensure complete product range in company portfolio. Factors affecting product design: customer requirements, production facility, raw materials to be used, cost to price ratio, quality policy, plant and machineries, effect on exchanging products, reputations of the company. Features of a good product design: first, function. A product can be sold if it meets the needs of the consumers, and as such the product must be designed to meet such needs. For example, a customer expects a gas lighter to be convenient. If the gas lighter cannot achieve that, then the purpose is lost as the basic function is not met. Reliability: it is the probability that there will not be any major failure of the product during the use. For example, if certain components of a product are put into use very often, the reliability of each component should be high, which may not be practical from production point of view. Producibility: a product should be designed in such a manner that it can be produced easily at a reasonable cost. Least number of operations are required to produce a product quickly and cheaply. This may be possible with change in technology. Simplification. Simplification and producibility go hand in hand. The simpler the design of the product, the easier is to produce. The lesser it comes and more reliable. Quality. A good quality product design ensures that the quality of a final product is obtained, those its individual components. The tolerance specified at every stage ensures a end product with the desired product quality. Minimum cost. Design influences manufacturing cost. A good product design must be ensure minimum manufacturing cost. Some of the area in which saving can be effected at the design stage. Modular design. The product should consist of detachable components or sub-assembles so that whenever a component fall, it can be replaced by a new one easily. The use of standard sub-assembly give rise to numerous end products in different combination. The concept is known as modular design. Concepts of product design, research and development. Basic research is a search for new knowledge. It does not have any immediate application, but basic research, new product can be developed in future. Applied research has objective of developing commercial product. Reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is the process of carefully dismantling a product, understanding its design and developing a product which is better than the existing one. CAD/CAM. By using 3D modeling software system, designers develop a computerized model of a new product and analyze its design parameters. After computer aided manufacturing system produce the product by using CNC facility. Concurrent engineering. Concurrent engineering is different that conventional approach of design. In concurrent engineering, different correlated terms are formed which perform different activities for developing a product. For example, development of market concept, design of product, development of manufacturing process, selection and arrangement of material for new design is performed by different terms at the same time. It reduces considerable amount of time to develop a new product. In practice, different concepts are combined and applied those to design a new product. Steps of product design. Snatics try to develop different alternatives. Draw sketch in exact scale for different alternatives. Analysis different alternative with respect to operability, maintainability, inspection, assembling and dissemination issue, cost parameters from production, etc. Selection, select the best alternative. Basic engineering, prepared layout in exact scale, calculate string of components, select proper cost effective materials. Detailed design, prepare detailed engineering drawing for each components. Prototype, if option is there, then prepared prototype and test it. Manufacturing, if prototype is not made, then follow manufacturing step and solve manufacturing problem and assembly problems and any operations. Collect feedback during actual operation of the new product. If any problem exists, try to provide design based solution. Also implement listen in the future design. Product development, if any modification can be done, implement the same in the next generation product. Thank you.